He was a hero, a model of how to overcome adversity, treated like a prince in his home country of South Africa. Oscar Pistorius, the Paralympian gold medalist known as the Blade Runner, may have ruined his career and his reputation when he shot dead his girlfriend in February 2013. And the 6-month trial has done even more damage. As he's also being tried for 3 gun-related charges, no dark recess of his personality has escaped the courtroom's glare.
Which was a strategy by the state to have character evidence be made admissible. So here, instead of just dealing with the facts of the details of what took place on the shooting on the night in question, we're now dealing with somebody who can be shown to the court as an irresponsible firearm owner, who somebody has no respect for the law, of somebody who, when he does something wrong, he gets other people to take the blame from him.
The trial also revealed that he was suffering post-traumatic stress disorder. While in the dock, the intense cross-examination made him cry and break down repeatedly.
I know you don't want to because you don't want to take responsibility, but it's time that you look at it. Take responsibility for what you've done, Mr. Pistorius.
My lady, I've taken responsibility by me waiting and not wanting to live my life, but waiting for my time on this stand to tell my story for the respect of Riva and for myself. I've taken responsibility, but I will not look at a picture where I'm tormented by what I saw and felt that night. As I picked Riva up, my fingers touched her head. I remember. I don't have to look at a picture. I was there.
Is he an egotistical liar obsessed with guns and luxury, as the prosecutors say? Or a vulnerable individual who shot out of fear of an intruder, as the defence has it? A panel of psychiatrists answered at least one question. After a month of examinations, they concluded Pistorius was not suffering from mental illness that would have rendered him not criminally responsible. His lawyer pleaded that his disability has made him develop a flight response stronger than able-bodied people, but the argument has not convinced everyone.
Oscar's been very much his whole career of a person who doesn't believe he's disabled. And to rely on that now, I think, would be slightly opportunistic. More than that, and again, he's used it at a very late stage in the case. It almost seems like an afterthought. Whereas if he said this was the reason for the crime, why not start the whole way with that as the version?
One thing his fans and his critics agree on: Oscar Pistorius is not likely to accept any jail sentence and will probably exhaust the appeals process if necessary. The world is not done following the destiny of the Paralympic ex-poster boy.